Hi, I'm Cliff. Welcome to my home. We're here in Hacienda Heights. So I had Horizon do pretty much a whole house remodel, starting with the inside. So the first thing we did, we updated the floors. So we have these laminate flooring done throughout the entire house. What you're standing on right now was actually a sunken floor, so it was similar to the living room. So starting from this line here back, it was all sunken, so we actually raised it, and by doing that we had to actually take out the sliding window and raise the flooring. So when we took out the window, we decided it was a perfect chance to move it over 2 feet to the right, so we were able to extend the kitchen. Looking at the kitchen, so starting here, the wall actually came out about another foot and a half, so it was actually a very narrow entryway. And then we had a countertop that made an L shape to this beam and go all the way down there. So when we lifted the flooring, it allowed us to extend this all the way out. So we opened up this flooring here, or this wall here, and then we built this huge island over here. The ceiling actually came down to where this line was, and it came all the way out to this beam and all the way across. So it was pretty much like a second attic space. We completely tore it out and allowed us to open up the skylight here and pretty much allowed the light to spread out instead of being like a spotlight into the kitchen. The kitchen also had a little small entry doorway right here that led to this other room, so we decided to close it off to make it an L shape and just make this one big kitchen. So yeah, everything turned out great. We added some recessed lighting in here that wasn't there, and then these pendant lights. We did floating shelves on the wall instead of cabinets. And then we did the backsplash all the way up to the ceiling.
Very pretty. Look how much light we got from this skylight. Look at this island, how pretty. And this beautiful floor all around.
So then, this is the front door. We changed the front door as well to have this modern door. Originally, the entrance to the master bedroom was here. So this was like a doorway here. And then when you walk in, to the right is the master bathroom, and then you go through a secondary door into the bedroom. So we decided to close that off to make the master bedroom more private. So we moved the entrance to the master bedroom here on this side. So it flows a little bit better. It's closer to all the different other rooms' entry points. So when you go in, we have the master bedroom now here, and then this is the entrance to the closet. So this here used to be the entrance to the master bedroom, and then this from here all the way down used to be those older style mirror closets. So we took that all out, opened it up, and then we redid the bathroom. So we extended the walk-in shower about 2 feet out, so it's about a 4-foot wide shower. Updated the countertops, new flooring, new cabinets, and then we turned this into a walk-in closet. So this used to be the hallway. So the door to the living room was there, and then the door to the master was here. So we closed it off to make it a nice walk-in closet.
It looks really pretty. Really, really pretty. Look at this hexagon floor.
Yeah.
And inside the shower too. I'll show you. Oh, this cool toilet opens up. Channel drain and a bench and a shampoo niche. And the shower head, this huge shower head. It's very, very, very pretty. I'll show you from here. You will see the whole bathroom and a skylight here as well. Thank you. Looks amazing. You will enjoy.
Thank you guys.